Good morning. We're just sitting at the Grandmouth Bar. It's dark. It's first light. We can see the waves coming in. There's some hay stackers, curlers coming in, and there's not a lot of gaps there. Another boat's just gone in front of us. We're just hanging around the entry, keeping an eye on it, to figure out if we're going to take it on or if we're going to turn around and go home. Woo! That was exciting stuff. We waited for ages and counted the sets, and it seemed every fourth or fifth set eased off a bit, and the waves were only breaking on the right hand side. Occasionally they close out all the way across, and then a big set would come in and it'd be a bunch of closeouts. We just waited and then we punched it out. Bloody nerve-wracking, especially when you've got other people's sons on board. I've got the puppies in here too, so I don't want to drown them. But we took a while. Two other boats went out in front of us, and we didn't just gun it when they went out. We waited. Cheers, bro. Appreciate it. Hopefully get to use the bat today. Bit of luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big trawlers out here. 6 big trawlers working. We're going to go over to them and trawl around the trawlers. Troll around the trawlers. It is 11:35. We were following one trawler, then we saw another trawler that had more birds behind it, so we thought, oh, they might be catching more fish, so we went and followed that trawler, and then we heard one of the Russian captains saying he was turning to starboard and all small boats better stay clear of him. Said it a couple of times actually, and then he said, I'm turning to starboard, all small boats stay clear of me. Which is fair call because someone got run over last week, didn't they, Char?
Yeah, caught him with it.
Alright. Any second now. Remember I said that when we were fishing and then we got hit?
No, that was with Jack. You started videoing then. No, that was with us and Jack.
Eula, wasn't it? And JT?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, any second now. And then when we were at Jack, I was watching a video and you were videoing and you're like, any second now and then.
Yeah. It's almost like I manifested the fish, but that doesn't happen. I don't just imagine a fish is going to bite and then it bites because the fish has got to be there. Unless God or the aliens teleport the fish to my lure and then go crack. Come on, aliens, where are you? We've had a glass off. Should be able to see them all jumping out of the ocean now. Come on, Char.
I'll find them after I find a song.
We're just watching the trawler haul now. There's not much in that net. Slim pickings on the high seas. See it going up there? It's basically an empty net. Far out.
radio someone's hooked up.
We just had Jason on the old blower. He informed us that the uterus lights are still on. Charlie parked the uterus up. It was still pitch black when he parked it, so I'm not too sure how he managed to leave the lights on in the darkness and not notice. He has been vaping lately. He's still vaping?
No.
There you go. Charlie just told his dad he wasn't vaping anymore. Is he still vaping, Dom? Don't lie to me, Dom.
Здесь вот на последнем угре, как говорится, вот, сейчас вот я с него съезжаю. Такой, знаешь, как тебе сказать, вот каша так вот лежала, блядь. Придавил что-то, немножко позавчера.
Oh, working?
Сейчас, ну, обратно 500 метров.
Charlie saw a big bluefin jump in front of us, and that's as close as we've got to getting a fish so far. Pushing on in the afternoon. We're going to have to head for home in another hour. The boat just behind us is hooked up. We want to make the bar light. We have to pull pin in about 40 minutes. Two boats hooked up. How frustrating. I reckon if the bluefin around the trawlers, they probably sit under the trawler. I reckon they probably hang around there, sit right underneath it. Really want to stay out here all night, keep fishing, but I've got to drive down to Fiordland. I've got to be in Fiordland, Manapouri on Friday, and it's Wednesday. It's a big drive down there from here. Still got to pack everything up for the Fiordland trip tomorrow and start driving through to Queenstown tomorrow, and then to Manapouri the next day. So I think we're just going to have to pull pin in about another 20 minutes. Head for home.
So yeah, we're probably staying here because we'll probably be down in about 20 minutes, half an hour. What was the bar like? Pretty good, yeah. It's got as long as better than this morning. Just make sure you watch it though, because there's a couple of road guns there.
Slim pickings on the old tucker as well.
We're running out of bread.
How you lads doing down there?
Hey?
Oh, there we go, have a wee wees. Wow, but you've been drinking Barocca. Yeah, do you want to steer us around behind the back of the boat and I'll clean this shit up? That's it, we're pulling pin, heading for home, get across this bar while there's still light to see, pack up, down to Dusky Sound with SEA Fiordland. Pretty exciting. Me, Charlie and Sonny and a couple of other guests into the Wop Wops for a few days. These Kilwell collapsible outriggers are the cat's pajamas, telescopic. Packing her up, boosting for home. Charlie, wake up! Drag up, hey? Alright, terra firma.
My battery's not reaching full charge. It's been on all night and it's still only on bloody 3 balls. We'll see how that goes. Hello, how are you? Hello. House is an absolute shambles. We need to tidy the house and the yard, pack up everything and drive down to bloody Manapouri. Look at the state of it.
I think mine's better.
I like it how he's put the bowl on his head and cut across in a straight line. Oh mate, that the razor or scissors? Other side? Oh, he's got stripes in there. Racing stripes. I might have to... Oi, stop chewing my toe.
I thought I could get like...
Sit. Oh, good diesel dog. Sit, salty dog. Sit. 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 Good dog. Stay. Good girl, you stayed there. Salty dog and diesel dog.
Wait, who's looking after the puppies?
Oh yeah, puppies are going to look after themselves. Dropping puppies off at Matt Sal's house. I'm not sure if that's his last name. Right. You know when you have a big job and it just seems like it's overwhelming and it's too much to do, like tidying the house? Anyway, that overwhelming job, if you start just in little pieces, break it down into little tiny steps. Right, just going to do this corner of the kitchen first. Then I'm going to do that little bit. Break it down into small manageable steps. This applies to life too. This is metaphorically speaking. And all of a sudden, those big seemingly impossible tasks that are really overwhelming just get done. My goodness, the puppy destruction. Look at it. Stay, good girl. Stay. Sonny's creating another monster.
His name is Robert the Alien.
Robert the Alien. What a bloody mission. What time is it? 2:15. Finally.
152.
Oh, 1:52. Not even 2:15. And the boys are rolling.
Will you come out? Want to come out? You come out? Come on, Diesel.
Come on.
Come on.
Just stop down at Bruce Bay, stretch your legs, take your dogs for a run. Bruce Bay, what a spot. Oi!
I think I'd rather have this with my steak than being honest.
It's not working. The pump's working okay, but that is not turning on. New batteries. Come to troubleshooting.
Oh, my hand got hot.
Yes, me too.
There you go. Those have got semi-sonics loaded up with subs. Rabbits? What do you reckon? As much as I don't want to turn you into rabbit dogs, we're going to go get some rabbits.
Yeah.
See this one? Yep, rolling. Holy crap. The fluff around that was.
I need to bring my shit over here because my mom was.
Good day, fellas. Man, it is cold this morning. There's deer roaring across a lake there. Give the truck a warm up so the lads can get up. It's freezing tits out here. So cold. Give the pups some of the leftovers from last night. Stay. Good girls. Good girls. Bone broth stew. So good, made from the forelegs of the deer. It's really good. Girls. Good girls.
It's like ice.
It is ice.
Not really ice.
Be careful on those rocks, bro. They're really slippery. Whoa, look at that. Fresh snow. I'm thirsty, mate. No fat on them whatsoever. One.
Lunch.
Just like possum skin.
Oh, lunch. Yeah, we got some lunch here.
Sweet. So much driving. Holy smokes. Another hour and a half to go. It'll be 5 o'clock by the time we get to Manapouri. Oh, I don't know about there. There might be white pepper in there. Fried tongue. My God, that's good.
Ready yet?
It's like power texture. But tender. Where's your glove?
I'm not lost in the car somewhere.
Was that enough to eat?
This thing said, I'll go to bed when this thing runs out of bullets, okay?
So
600
peaceful.
bullets left,
So peaceful camping.
500 bullets left,
Sonny's shooting his
400 bullets
minigun.
left,
Show us.
300
Good luck.
bullets left. Then we got,
Oh my goodness.
and boom, run out of bullets.
Empty.
Right, I'll stay in a loader.
And that fire's pumping the heat out. Might have to close it down a little bit.
Ah, yes. Hold on, I want to see how much bullets it says. Dad, were you awake in the middle of the night?
I was awake in the middle of the night. What did you hear?
Oh, I heard a bunch of ducks come past.
It's amazing how they can fly through the mist and see where they're going at night, hey? It really is. I don't know if we'll get that helicopter up in the air. Hopefully the sun comes up, burns this mist off. I guess we're not meant to fly till 11 o'clock, so I should give it a bit of time to burn her off. She's pretty foggy out there.
I want to use like sand so you can push it and it falls off.
We're just waiting for the cloud to lift. Hour and a half of patiently waiting. As soon as it lifts, we'll be in there. It's clear in Fiordland. It's just this inversion layer here that's stopping us flying. We're driving down the road to somewhere where it's clear. Stacey got us some fish and chips because we've been here for a couple of hours waiting for the machine, so she drove all the way up to Tiano to get some fish and chips for the boys. Fiordland, Dusky Sound, Supper Cove.
I love the feeling when you take off.
We're on the way. We're going to steam out to the front of the sound and pull a few pots. It's late in the afternoon. It's pushing on 3:30. Lost sun already, and there's a chill in that air. It is cold and crisp in here.
Oh, it is. Still pretty